In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut a video on TikTok. So if you have a video and you want to cut a specific parts of it, here's what you need to do. So you need to open up TikTok first. From there, you need to post a video. Just a second. Click on the plus and then click on upload. Let's select this video and let's click on next. Now you see the first option at the top right, click on edit and then click on the clip and just move it as you wish. Then click on next and it's ready to be posted. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.